So guys, we're finally camping senior year. No Heather, I don't even want to hear it out of you. This was supposed to be a girls' night. Yeah. Way to ruin it.
Sorry, but guess what? I got marshmallows!
Yay! Did you bring sticks? Are you gonna go get us some? Yeah. Great. What are you doing over there? Tracy, did you feel that? I think it's raining. Actually, I did.
We did pretty good. Mama?
Heather, it's raining. How can you be excited about marshmallows?
Dude, it's marshmallows!
Dude, it's raining. The rain has ruined all of our camping trips so far. I hate the rain. What are we going to do now? This stinks. This is going to ruin our trip. Actually, I saw this really cool thing on TV yesterday, and all you have to do is call upon the rain.
Rain God!
No! There's no such thing. Yeah, there's karaoke. I'm like the smartest person alive. Yeah. All you gotta do is hold hands. It's not gonna work. Hold the hand and close the eye. Call upon the rain guy.
Her rain hands on tonight. Oh, sweet.
I'm going home to put this on MySpace.
Where's everyone going? What we got? Maybe we should just go too. Guys, do they know where the rain gets? Probably not. No, they're stupid. Let's